If you're planning to study or work in Switzerland in 2025, it's important to understand what the new residence permit rules mean for you. Switzerland has updated a few visa and residence policies that affect international students, skilled workers, and even Croatian and UK nationals. Let's break down the key points and what these changes mean in practical terms. For students, if you're from outside the EU or EFTA, including Nigerian students, you must apply for a long-stay D visa before traveling to Switzerland for any program lasting more than 90 days. You can't enter on a tourist visa and then change your status. The D visa must be obtained from the Swiss embassy in your home country before departure. Once in Switzerland, every international student must register at the local residence office within 14 days of arrival to receive a residence permit, usually called the B permit. This permit is valid for 1 year and must be renewed annually by providing updated proof of enrollment, accommodation, and financial means. Students can work part-time, up to 15 hours a week during term and full-time during holidays, but only after they have lived in Switzerland for at least 6 months. After graduation, you can also apply to extend your stay for up to 6 months to look for a job related to your field of study, provided you can show proof of funds to support yourself. For work visa applicants, Switzerland's immigration system for non-EU nationals remains selective. There's good news for Croatian citizens. From January 1st, 2025, Switzerland removed quotas on work permits for them, meaning employers can now hire Croatians without prior authorization. However, authorities will monitor the numbers and may reintroduce quotas in 2026 if necessary. For all other non-EU/EFTA nationals, including Nigerians, the quota system continues. In 2025, the federal government kept the same limits: 8,500 total permits for highly skilled workers, 4,500 B permits, long-term, and 4,000 L permits, short-term. British nationals still have a separate allocation, 3,500 permits for 2025, but these are expected to merge into the general quota system in the coming years. To qualify for a Swiss work visa, your employer must sponsor your application. They must also prove they could not find a suitable candidate within Switzerland or the EU FTA region. This means permits are mainly reserved for specialists, managers, or professionals with advanced qualifications and several years of experience. If you later apply for permanent residence, a C permit, note that many cantons require language proficiency, usually at least A2 spoken and A1 written in the local language. Other 2025 updates. Family reunification. Some cantons have increased the minimum income required to bring family members. Non-EU spouses may also have to meet basic language requirements before joining a partner in Switzerland. Digital renewals. Several cantons are now offering online systems for renewing residence permits. This allows faster document uploads, tracking, and fewer in-person appointments. S-permit transition. Holders of temporary protection under the S permit are being encouraged to switch to a B permit. This change depends on employment, financial independence, and integration into the community. Why it matters. These changes don't drastically alter the system, but they fine-tune how Switzerland manages international study and work opportunities. For students, it reinforces the need to apply early for a D visa and maintain proper registration. For skilled workers, it means the focus remains on experience, qualifications, and employer sponsorship. Understanding these updates helps you prepare better, whether you're applying for a degree program, a research role, or a professional contract. Note, this information is for general educational purposes only and reflects official updates available as of 2025. Visa and residence policies can change at both federal and cantonal levels. Always confirm the latest requirements with the Swiss Embassy in Abuja or through VFS Global before submitting your application. If you'd like professional insight on preparing your study or work visa documents, you can always seek advice from qualified immigration experts familiar with Swiss and European systems. At Law and Visas, we follow these updates closely to help applicants stay informed and compliant. Follow Law and Visas for more practical explanations of visa and immigration developments affecting Nigerian and international travelers.